Right, so I'm here to give you all an update because I haven't done a video now in probably about 3 or 4 months. It's been absolutely hectic at the fix and salvage workshop. So I thought we'd just have a little run around of some of the stuff that we've got going on at the minute and just really give all of you guys an update. So we'll start off this corner first. I've just got my blue transporter van that I keep for parts. If anybody does want a long wheelbase transporter T5, then yeah, let me know because it is for sale. We've got another bit of stock here, just a Fiat 500 that's coming in 2019, 30,000 miles. If you come over here, we have still got the roller. We decided that we wasn't going to put this back through Copart, and we are going to give it a wash. We are going to put it up for sale. Yeah, if anybody is interested in it, then pop me a link in my description box below. Be my email, fixandsalvage@hotmail.com. But we're having a bit of problems parting with it. I think it's such a nice thing, especially with only being done 30,000 miles. I'm just reluctant to see it go, but it is up for sale. And then the only other thing we've got over here is just a Corsa van that we actually found on a website called Second Gears. Second Gears, they are like a company that will encourage you to buy your cars back from the insurance company. So there's a lot of unrecorded stuff on there, and then just normal stuff like this that has come from a normal customer, and they've just decided to buy it back from the insurance. So we got a nice deal on that. So yeah, big thank you to Second Gears. I'll leave a link in the description box below, which will take you straight to their site. They have some really, really nice stock as well. So yeah, we'll move over to this corner as well. Now we haven't actually got that many cars in at the moment. We have had a massive clear out at the start of the, well no, not even at the start of the year, a couple of months ago, we didn't have no space out here. So they are all slowly but surely going. We've had this Fiat for a while. This one's had a hit to the back. It was on the jig, but I'm waiting on a back panel for it in a few different parts. We've taken it off the jig for another Fiat 500 that is on the jig. We've got my Corsa that I'm running around in at the moment. I ended up putting an engine in this. Yeah, just a cheap run around that I'm using at the minute. And of course, we still do have the Range Rover. Now, the competition for this ended up turning into a cash prize. The winner ended up getting a massive, massive sum of money. But yeah, we've still got it, and I'm going to be putting it up for sale very shortly. I've done about 2,000–3,000 miles in this in myself now, just from before the raffle, and was testing it to make sure everything's all right. So I'm going to be putting that up for sale on Auto Trader. And yeah, like I say, the winner of the raffle, he won a very, very big cash prize. And yeah, might as well follow us into the workshop now and see what else we've got going on. Now, we have been doing a few other things, and that includes finding all of the parts that we've got scattered around the workshop that we don't either use, or we just don't have a use for. So that's a range of stuff, from KA stuff, Corsa, Polo. So I've had my little brother Charlie in with me this week. We're getting him to advertise all the stuff and putting it on eBay. So we're receiving stuff like that, like all those Fiat 500 bumpers up there that one day we probably will use them, but they're just sitting there collecting dust. So we'll get rid of them, we'll sell them, and then when we want them, I'm sure we can always buy them again. So if you guys are interested in any parts, then you can always check out my eBay. My account number on it, no, account name is Fix and Salvage. So yeah, I've got quite a few stuff on there. Yeah, what else we got in at the minute? We've got an Audi Q3 that you guys would have seen me repair a couple of months ago. Still waiting on a few parts for that, but that is imminent. There is going to be a video on that. We've got a Fiat 500 that this is now sold. This went very, very quickly. I ended up buying this off somebody off Auto Trader. Yeah, picked it up on a really, really good deal. We've done quite a lot of prep to it as well. We've done slave cylinder, gear linkages, chipping the windscreen. There was a dent on the rear quarter. I painted the front and rear bumper on it. So yeah, it's had a bit of work done. But yeah, HPI clear, that sold instantly. So that one's not for sale, but this is why the grey cars come off the jig. So the chassis legs on this one are, yeah, they're bent round just a tiny bit. So yeah, I've put it on the jig and I'm going to straighten it out now. You come and have a look at that leg there. Well, that bolt hole there probably wants to be about over here. And while we've got this whole front end off, you can already see I've checked it to see whether it had a cam belt before. I don't think it has, because I can see the sort of the stress marks in it. So while it's at this stage, I'm going to put a cam belt in it. They're quite easy to do on these anyway. But seeing as that leg's gone over, of course this leg's gone over as well. So the whole front end just wants shifting around, and I think we're going to have to end up replacing this leg as well. So yeah, got my work cut out on a nice bit of salvage. This one's only done 50,000 miles on an 18 plate. But yeah, we're going to get that in, get it done this week. there'll be another car up for sale. My thinking is that I've got an advert up on Auto Trader for this one at the moment, and obviously they're the identical car. I've just paid for 6 weeks on Auto Trader, which is like 100 quid per advert. So I'm hoping I'll be able to sell this one, which is an identical car, off of this one. So that's why I'm in a rush to get that one done. But yeah, we've had a lot of projects come in really over the past sort of 3-4 months. So I do apologise why we haven't been uploading a lot. We have got about 4 different videos in just that I can think of that are going to be coming up really, really shortly. So please bear with. And it also doesn't help that my dad has started doing an extension now on my stepmom's house. So he's been off doing that. So I've been really on my own for a lot of the days. So that also adds to why we just haven't had enough time to get any videos out. But we've also gone into a lot of customer work now. So like servicing, pads and discs, all general bits of mechanic. We're not going to be taking on sort of big mechanical work. So like your Mercedes gearboxes and like just your lumpy stuff. General stuff like Corsas, Fiat 500s, and just normal cars, I would say like that, your hatchbacks, and just stuff that, you know, doesn't take up a lot of hours in the workshop. So if you are in the Hertfordshire, Bedfordshire area and you need any servicing done, you need just sort of general maintenance, then pop me an email on my description box below. It's at fixingsalvage@hotmail.com. And I also have got a Google page now, so you can always head to the Google page, give the work phone number a call, and we can always go through there. So, and don't forget, we are also doing insurance work as well at the minute. So if you've been in an accident, whether it's non-fault or fault, you know, I've seen some of the work that the assurance approved centres do, and you know, a lot of the time, it's not really their fault. It is the insurance company that are sort of badgering down on them to keep the cost down, and sometimes it doesn't always equate to the best quality repair, whereas with here, your car will always be repaired to the highest possible level. So if you have been in an accident, you don't want to go for insurance, then pop me a call or an email. But yeah, I think that pretty much says it all. We've had a bit of an update, and yeah, the videos will be coming soon, so please bear with. And yeah, thanks for all the messages of people asking me where we've gone. We definitely haven't packed up. We've just been super busy. So I'll see you all next week for a new video.